Ooh-wee. Some days it pays to work at a car lot. Not financially, of course, but what I'm talking about is a chance to drive one of these. Folks, this video might be a little bit longer, but bear with me because this is an 80 model Chevy Corvette. You're seeing it, pearl white. You got the Goodyear Eagle 2 tires, look at them. Glass T-tops. I want you to look at this now. Don't miss this. Is this unlocked? Yep. Look here. Red leather guts. You're seeing this, folks. Flip the back down. Here's the view from the top. Glass tops. Let's switch over to this other side here where you can see this. Seats look like they've never been sit in. And look right here, boys. 75,000 right miles. 80 model Corvette. Now, if you're calling me asking me how cheap it is, this car is not for you. This car don't deserve an owner that's going to be tight. If you want the ride with the big boys, it just costs a little bit more to go first class. So take a look. Let me flip them lights on if I can one time. Yes, they work. www.towellandsons.com. Don't forget to bring your wallet. Thank you.